Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is the interchangeable states of water. The first one is the freezing and melting points. Now let us first understand what is meant by freezing. Students, we are talking in terms of water. So freezing is the process of converting liquid water into its solid form, that is ice. This can occur when the liquid water is cooled below 0 degrees Celsius and it turns into the solid state, that is ice. The exact opposite process, students, is that of melting. It is the process of converting the ice which is in solid state to the liquid water. So, how will we do this? For freezing, we converted the liquid water by cooling it below 0 degrees Celsius. So, can you tell me how will we melt the solid ice? Yes, students, the ice can be changed into liquid water by heating it above 0 degrees Celsius. So as we see, these two processes are antagonistic to each other. Moving on, now let us talk about a very important phenomenon, that is sublimation. Remember students, sublimation is not shown by water. It is the process wherein a substance changes from solid directly to the gaseous state without passing through a liquid phase. Best example is dry ice. Students, dry ice is nothing but the solid form of carbon dioxide. And when this dry ice is kept at room temperature, you will see that it directly turns from the solid form into the gaseous form. Now students, having said that, that is all we have for this particular topic. Let us quickly go through what all we covered today. We studied about the interchangeable states of water, which were solid, liquid and gas, under which we studied the freezing point, which was 0 degrees Celsius. We also studied about the melting point, which occurs when solid ice is heated above 0 degrees Celsius. After which we also studied about evaporation, condensation and finally sublimation, which is not shown by water but it is shown by dry ice. Students, if you have watched the video carefully, then you should be able to answer these questions. The first one is, what is evaporation? The second one is, which phase is missing in sublimation process? And having said that, that is all we have for today's topic. Thank you for learning with Top Scholars.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.